Hello, it's Linksy. Well, my name is Linksy and I am drawing again. This is part 2. If you hear like a lot of these clicky sounds, sorry, just backed up as well. It's a stylus I got for my birthday. So yeah, I'll try not to make it quick because like it taps the screen. Because I like just recorded something, but then it was like too long. I had low storage, and I was being really quiet. So take 2, kind of. Really, all I did was redo this because I didn't save and the lava. Also changed the top of it. So did that tree and the black volcano and whatnot. Yeah, so good for me. I had to redo it, and I'm also gonna have to do this palm tree by the looks of it. So yeah, not very good. I mean, the mountains in the background saved, I'm pretty sure. Right. How do I do that? Okay, so the background saved. Oops. Okay, last time I did ask what I should draw here for like a main focus of this thing. What character or something. It could be anything. My last video I did see a comment. It was like, I was kind of surprised how fast like that person commented. If you watch this, then thank you for commenting that. And also I saw a few more. Someone said like a Charmander. Someone said a whale. I checked this like yesterday after like I posted it. And then the one that I'm talking about, the one that like commented like right after, said something like a leaf or something like flying by here. Not quite bad. I am considering all of them, and I did say in the end of my comment, my pinned comment, because I pinned one, I said whichever comment has the most likes, I will draw that as the main focus thing over here. Yeah, so let's carry on drawing. Right now we're doing the mid-ground, so it's like this thing. It does look kind of more like in the background, but I can assure you it does fit more into the mid-ground outline. The background is like the sun, and this thing also. Sorry, I'm lazy to draw another circle, so I'm just gonna use this tool. I can never like understand the way these things work. I don't know, it's just something about it that just confuses me. And I just can't figure out what it is. So there's another one. I'm going to use this thing. Sorry. What is that doing? All the way over there. Yeah, anyway. So, I'll cut there. You can probably tell what that is, but if you can't, then it's like, yesterday I can't think of the name either, but like, this thing shoots like a hot rock. It's like smeared in a bit of lava. It's just like flinging out. It's got flames on it, like a flame trail. I keep thinking like a meteor or something. Just because I don't know. Anyway, so I'm just doing like the flames things. Also, I'm not like voiceovering this. This is as I'm drawing, so focusing on talking and the drawing. Kind of hard. Oh, that's in the background. Ooh. Did I do that? Alright, so I did do it. Okay. Just turn that down a bit then. Not so that I can see it, but enough to make sure. Okay. Yeah. I've got the main volcano done. I think that's about it for the foreground. This part I'm not gonna do because that's gonna be like done with the colouring. I think I'll be able to do colouring soon. Yeah, I don't want to make this like too long, like maybe 10 minutes or less. Yeah, about that. Okay, what disappears when I do that? Okay, so got a few things. So the foreground, then the colour. Oh, can you like tell what language I speak? I know it changed it. It's that there. Okay, let's quickly do the thingy palm tree. These are palm trees, if you couldn't tell. It's so hard to like concentrate on the drawing and like the talking at the same time. I guess I could just talk about like, whatever I want really. Right, oh, come on. Yeah, I mean, I could talk about whatever. I'm definitely gonna do another one of these. Probably gonna be the colouring one. And you can like maybe ask questions in the comments for this one about like what I could talk about the next one, unless you want it to be like another speedy one. I'm also planning on drawing is it Effie? I'm sorry if I can't pronounce your name properly. I used to call you like Ethel. I can't like, I don't know why I did. I just, in my mind there was always an L there, but my sister told me like it's Effie or something. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Sorry if I'm not. But anyway, I am planning on painting her, or drawing her, because she also did a gift painting of me. It was really cute, by the way. If you're watching this one, it was really nice. I really liked it. Yeah, I really like your style. It's really cute. Yeah. Slightly off. Yeah, so thank you for that again. I did say thanks in the comment, but I don't think that's enough, really. Personally, I would want to do more to say thank you. So thank you in this video. And if you have watched up to here, watching me struggle to do this, then thank you for watching up to here, this point. It's probably been kind of boring though, to be completely honest. It's probably quite boring. It's just me talking and drawing. I mean, most people do this, but like they have like some music or something in the background, or I don't know. I have got a small kind of topic in mind for like the subject to talk on. Also, like, sorry for clicking. Completely forgot about the sound. Eesh. Do you like my bush? Quite bushy. I got this trick for when I'm like colouring, but you can see that in like the colouring video. It's probably going to be like another 2-3 parts, like maybe 4 or 5 parts long, this. I mean, if I could, I would definitely love to make this into one video, or make this in one video, but my device just doesn't have that kind of space to do this all in one go, which is a shame. Yeah, I'm probably just going to finish this and end it, because it's already been 10 minutes and about a half. Yep, as I said, it was 10 minutes and a half in. So accurate, aren't I? I'm so skilled. Yeah, so that's about it for right now. I'll finish the rest of this brush quickly. And I am drawing this. I don't have no reference. I don't have a reference. Sorry, I messed that line up. And I do not have any kind of a script for what to say. That's why I keep like saying, yeah, I'm sorry if it's annoying. Probably is. I will save it, and yeah, so in the comments, if you want, you can like give me a subject to talk on for like the next part, or you can just ask for me to like speed paint it, whatever you want. But for now, that's this, or that. I don't know. If you want to see other things I have made before, then you can tell me. Oof, I messed up. Okay. So I did draw this tree and it is there. Okay. I might, yeah, sorry. I messed up. I didn't check the layers properly before doing this. The level's basically the same. Yeah, okay, bye. Wait. Sorry. I forgot to do this last time. Gotta do this before the storage sign thing comes up. Okay, that's about it. I think I'm done. Yeah, and that's about it. Yeah, I'm done. Okay, bye. Save. Bye, with little hearts at the beginning and end, or whatever I do. Yeah, bye.